Today we're tackling a common design dilemma: brushed nickel vs. chrome faucets. Both are popular choices, but which one is right for your kitchen or bath? Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Let's dive into the world of finishes and help you make an informed decision. First up, we have the classic chrome finish. Chrome boasts a high polish, mirror-like shine that instantly elevates any space. It creates a clean, modern aesthetic and pairs well with a variety of colors, from crisp whites and grays to bolder blues and blacks. Brushed nickel offers a more subtle look compared to chrome. It has a matte finish with a slight satin sheen, achieved by brushing the nickel surface. This creates a softer, warmer aesthetic that complements natural tones and textures beautifully. Our design style, chrome offers a clean, modern look, while brushed nickel adds warmth. Existing finishes match your faucet to cabinet hardware, lighting fixtures, or appliances for a cohesive look. Maintenance routine. If fingerprints and water spots bother you, brushed nickel might be a better choice. Budget, chrome faucets can be slightly more expensive. While matching finishes is generally recommended, you can also mix chrome and brushed nickel in certain situations. For example, use chrome for faucets and brushed nickel for cabinet pulls for a touch of contrast. Ultimately, the best finish for your faucet depends on your personal style and preferences. I hope this video helped shed some light on the world of brushed nickel vs. chrome. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design inspiration. Thanks for watching.